welcome to my channel. Today, I'll decorate some cupcake. This one is the pink sprinkle, and this one is the blue sprinkles, and a star sprinkles, and a character of BTS. And we have a frosting. Come on, let's go!
Okay, are you ready? First po, we can assemble yung box ng ating cupcake. Ayan. So, pwede natin siyang i-remove muna. So, may mga confetti pa tayo dito. And here we have 4 cupcakes together.
And we open
1, 2, you count, okay. 3, and 4. Okay, let's put it all together here. And we are going to decorate po with 2 different frostings. So, ayan, pwede po kayo mag-request ng colors na gusto niyo. So, dahil BTS ang theme ng mga kids, we have purple and white. And ayan po, may mga kasama na rin siyang sprinkles. Where is the blue one? We have the blue one pa.
Oh!
Ayan, so, medyo nag-ano na siya. Nag-melt. Ika-cut niyo lang po yung pinaka-dulo. Ayan. So, we have a very small hole here na pwedeng lumabas yung ating, frosting. So, Ate Hyejin will do the very first cupcake. Yung sa'yo, ate. Yung sa'yo. Oh, careful po when you put the frosting. Careful po. It could be like this. Ayan. So, maliliit kasi yung nilagay. Ayan. So, pwede namang two-tone. Yan ang kanyang cupcakes. What color of sprinkle will you put?
I want pink.
You want pink? So,
And also this.
okay. That's candy. Oh, no, not yet po. So, let's put some sprinkles.
And candy.
Ayan. So, lagay tayo ng sprinkles.
That one is for mine.
Okay. And blue kay Jinyo. Yes, not yet po. Not yet. So, dito naman, let's get the toothpick na available dito. Yung nilagay mismo. So, pwede natin siyang butasin. Tusok-tusok na maliliit. 1, 2, and... Okay. Kids, not yet. The color blue sprinkle. So, ayan, meron na po tayong maliliit na butas. So, ganito yung kakalabasan niya. Oh. Anyway. So, dapat kasi para siyang, ayan. So, nakikita ninyo. Kasi medyo nag-melt na kasi yung frosting kanina. Kanina pa kasi siya naka-expose dito sa room. Kaya nag-melt. Pero anyway, you can still have it. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman. Ganyan yung lumalabas. Anyway.
But we have our apron.
We can also put another color para may design naman siya kahit papaano. Ayan, ganyan.
And blue sprinkles.
Blue sprinkles, anything po. Yung mga kids natin talaga ma-enjoy. Ayan. So, you just put the blue sprinkles for bunso.
And me, I'll decorate it.
Okay. What frosting will you put po? Which frosting? What color? Careful po. Hawakan na mabuti. No. You just put it here po. And then, dito ka mag-control. Oh. Just here. Careful po. Pwede natin lakihan ng kaunti. Wait lang. Let me put. Ikakat na lang natin yung kanyang dulo. Where's the scissor? So, cut natin yung dulo para mas malaki. Kasi sobrang liit yung kanina. Here. Careful. Go. Ayan. So nice. So where is the star po? Meron tayong star kanina na.
Oh, maybe Genie could... Wait, where is
Just find it there po. Sprinkle the star. Pwede pong kunin ng isa-isa. Pwede ka kumuha na. Wow. How about bunso? Which one do you like po? This one, or this one? Asan kay bunso? Isa-isa lang ate. Lagay mo yung sprinkle. Oh! Not yet! Not yet. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Oh, that's too much oh. So, sobrang daming stars.
Just like in the night
Oops,
time.
Not yet!
This is already done. And these are, we decorate our cupcakes.
Time to eat!
Yummy!
Oh, which one is yours?
I want this.
So you're going to choose that one. May I see? Wow! And how about Jinyu?
It was a colorful.
Oh, the colorful one. Wait, may I see? Wow! I'll put it all together. Not yet, but not yet. Okay. So that ends our video. You say bye first.
Bye-bye.
Here po. Here.
No.
Ate. And Jinyu. Ate.
No, Gino. Just let me move.
How is it?
It's so delicious.
How about Bunso?
I'll just put over here some stickers. I need to eat them.
So we've got two. How's the taste?
It's so delicious.
Delicious? Yes? Yes? Oh, you eat na po.
Hi guys. Bye guys.
See you in our next vlog.
Yes.
Bye-bye!
Bye bye.